Hello, everyone. One of my friends leave me message to mention that there's something wrong with his Dreame V11. Error 2 inches appear on the Dreame V11 display all the time. So what's going on with the device? How could we fix it? No worries, it must be something went wrong with the motor. To solve this problem, we need to change a new motor for the Dreame V11. Well, I have a new motor here. You can follow us to see how to change a motor with Dreame V11 on this video. First of all, we need to remove the 3 screws which fixed on the battery. Please kindly pay attention to this T9 screw which hide inside the rubber cover. We can see the screw T9 after remove this rubber cover. Then we can remove the battery now. The numbers on the battery is batch number. If you want to change the battery in the future, try to use the same batch number with the battery. Then remove the filters of dustbin. Remove the 4 screws and take out the dustbin. Remove the side shield. Remove the 3 screws on the upper cover of dustbin. After we remove the upper cover, we can see the plastic cover and sponge. These parts can absorb shock and resist motion. Here are the 2 main cables. They won't be shaken and fallen off because they're fixed by crimping cap. It's tight and really hard to disassemble. After try different tools, we decided to disassemble it by violence. As you can see, the crimp cap are broken. Okay, let's go on. Disconnect the cable box. Remove this screw on the PCB board. Press the power button slightly and pull it, then we can take out the PCB board. The waterproof glue is applied on the PCB board. Remove the 3 screws and take out the motor assembly. It's snap-in structure, and the foam which around the motor can absorbs the shock. The white rubber band is fixed on the motor. We can disconnect the cable. The motor data is 25.2 voltage. The power is 450 watt. Produced by Dreame. There's no extra space inside. It's difficult for us to disassemble it. We suggest that you do not to disassemble it if you are not a professional person. Okay, we will install the device quickly.